pork? Oh, I didn't know this was pork. Shoot. Well, anyways, I got this thing here. I thought it was steak. It's pork. I should really pay attention more, but $9, and I'm going to get 4 meals out of this. I mean, these 2 huge tenderloins here. Anyways, we're going to have whatever this is tonight. Okay, so in preparation for freezing these, I've cut it in 4, and I'm wrapping them up with the direction of the bacon roll to keep them intact while I freeze these other 3 pieces. Now the directions, I don't know if you looked at the directions there, they said to cook it at 375 for between 25 and 45 minutes. That's quite a wide range there. And my toaster oven only does 10s, so I've got it preheating to 380, and then when I put this in after a few minutes I'll take it down to 370, or maybe I'll leave it at 380. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm running out of room in my freezer. Alright, so here it is, and the tray came in ready to go in. Just cut at an angle. And I'm putting it in there at 375. And we'll give it 25 minutes, and then we'll check it with the meat thermometer. Okay, out of the oven after 25 minutes, checking for temperature. Target temperature is 145 according to the instructions. 120 and climbing, but not much. Pretty much 122 or so. So we'll stick it back in and let it keep on going. It's been another 15. Let's see where we stand now. Ooh, look a little better. And we are at 155. Okay, I probably should have stopped after 10 minutes. Okay, heading to 160. Okay, so this piece was in for 25 and then 15, so it probably should have been 35 total. And we gotta let it sit now for 3 minutes before we consume it, and there's what it's looking like. Okay, so of course, as always with pork, a side of applesauce. Okay, well, that was very good. One thing I do want to make a note of is I never turned down the temperature, so I did it at 380 in my toaster oven, but very tasty. What's for dinner? It's pork, the other white meat. Happy day to you.